angels, good morning. Today we're here to talk about two tote bags, two mini small tote bags. If you like handbag videos, come on aboard the channel, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. So today I wanted to talk about these two lovely tote bags out of my handbag collection. This is the Coach Dempsey 22 in denim, and this is the lovely Steve Madden BNIKO tote. So today I wanted to talk about these two lovely totes, and I actually wanted to go ahead and transfer items out of this tote, the Dempsey, which I've been carrying for a while, into my Steve Madden BNIKO, because lately I've been really into the Steve Madden bags. So this is everything that I have in here, and let's see if you can see that. I have my sunglasses right up there at the top. So I have my sunglasses in my sunglasses case right here, my Ray-Bans. And then this is everything else. I have it jam-packed. She's full like a little sausage in there, but you can see I have tons of items in there. And those are the items that we're gonna be transferring over to my BNIKO. So let's go ahead and do that. I did want to talk a little bit and tell you girls a little bit about this BNIKO bag. So the first thing that I wanted to say about the BNIKO bag is that it comes with two straps. Let's go ahead and move the Dempsey on this side, get her a little bit over out the way. So the BNIKO comes with two straps, as you could see, and the way I'm going to use it, it comes with this Steve Madden strap that has the Steve Madden signature, you know, the Steve Madden brand, the Steve Madden name all over the strap. It's a seatbelt type canvas strap, and it does have hardware on it as well. That's a bad strap. I like that strap. Then it comes also with the material strap. So it comes with two straps, and lucky for me, the straps are removable. I think I like the seatbelt type strap better than just the thin strap for this tote bag. It's a quilted tote bag. It's very small, tiny. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this strap. Let's take that off because I don't need two straps. And I think the one that I like better is the seatbelt signature Steve Madden strap right here with the hardware. That's the strap that I prefer with this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this other thin strap. You can wear it with both straps. Actually, that look is kind of nice, but sometimes when you're out in the street and you're moving around in the store somewhere, it can get a bit cumbersome wearing both straps together. So I just went ahead and took this strap off. I'm not going to be using this strap. So I will use her with this strap right here. And I think I'm going to like that one better. And we'll go ahead and get a mod shot later and look at how that looks on me, how it falls. So that's the strap that we're going to be using with this beauty right here. I'm not sure if everything that fits in this tote bag is going to be able to go ahead and transfer over to the BNIKO bag, but let's go ahead and give it a try, you guys. I'm right-handed, so I'm working with my right hand, so I have to put this bag back on this side. I just feel more comfortable packing her that way, moving items, traveling items from the left to the right. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I have in here is a cosmetics catch-all, and it's just my Coach Apple Cosmetics bag. It's the corner zip wristlet. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. So that fits. This is a tiny tote. So that fits, so that's great. Everything else is kind of smaller, so it should work out. Then I just have another card case. Just have a silver card case. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. Next, I have one more additional card case. And it is my Cherries card case that I was using with this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in here as well. And so far, this is how everything is looking in there. So far, this is what all we have in there, you guys. This is how it's looking. So far, this is how everything is looking in there. We still have a little bit of space in there. That's how everything is looking in there so far in my Steve Madden BNIKO tote bag, mini tote. All right, so we have a few more things in here. We have some eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. And like I said, I might have to leave a few things out. I may have to downsize because this is a smaller bag. Have some lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lip gloss in there. But it's looking like a lot of the items are gonna fit though. I'm quite surprised. Then I have two things. I have some lotion and some hand sanitizer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in that bag. Let's see if this bottle of hand sanitizer will be able to fit in here. Okay, I think it's working. I think it's working. And then my hemp's lotion. Let's see, let's hope. So far it's looking good. I'm surprised this little bag looks like it's gonna be able to hold everything. I have two more items. I have a mirror and my keys. So I have my keys and that has to go. That definitely has to go. So let's go ahead and put my keys in here. Okay. And then the last thing that I have is just a makeup mirror. The last thing that I have is a makeup mirror. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging and put it in my bag. Sometimes I put items in my bags with the packaging. I don't know why I do that. Sometimes I like to save the packaging for something until forever, until like it gets really, really old, and I'll throw out the packaging and then start carrying the item. So this is the makeup case right here. This is the mirror. Go ahead and put that in here. You guys, I am so surprised. Everything fit in this little bag. Look at this. I don't want to bend the handles back on this one, but I just want to kind of show you girls. I hope nothing falls out. There we go. I am so surprised. I did not think all of the items from my Dempsey tote would be able to fit in this Steve Madden tote, because the Steve Madden tote is so much smaller, so much more tiny. Let me get some dimensions on that for you guys. Okay, so I'm back. I want to get some dimensions for you guys because I can't believe that all fit. It really surprised me. So the Dempsey is, quick dimensions, 9 inches long, 9 inches long by 9 inches tall. So she's 9 by 9. 9 long, 9 tall, and how wide is she? We're gonna say she's about 4.5 inches wide. So she's 9 inches tall, 9 inches long, and 4.5 inches wide. And the Steve Madden BNIKO is 9 inches long. So she's the same length this way. She's the same length across as the Dempsey tote. So that would account maybe for partially some of the reason as to why most of the same items or all of the same items fit. 9 inches long. She's a little shorter. I'm gonna say about 7 inches. I'm giving her the benefit of the doubt. She's really like maybe 6 3/4, but I don't like dealing with those little extra measurements of 3/4, 1/2, 1/4. We're just gonna call her 7 inches tall. So this bag is 9 inches tall, and this bag is, we're gonna estimate and say round it off to the next top digit. This bag is 9 inches tall and this bag is 7 inches tall. So the Dempsey has her beat by 2 inches tall, okay? And then width-wise, the width looks about the same to me. The Dempsey was about 4.5, I said. We're dealing with half measurements again, and 4.5. So the only difference is they're the same in the length. They're the same lengthwise this way, and they are the same widthwise this way. They're the same widthwise. The only difference is the height. The little short midget right here, the Steve Madden BNIKO, is 7 inches tall, and the Dempsey tote is 9 inches tall. So that's the only difference, you guys. So that would account for, basically they're the same size, except for the 2 inches that this bag has this bag beat. So they can hold the same items. That really surprised me. I wasn't expecting that. So yeah, girls. So here she is on me, you girls. And this is her crossbody. Such an adorable little cute tote bag. And I'll be able to carry her if I want to carry her down low. So thank you so much, you girls, for sticking it out with me all the way to the end of this video. I had to do a quick switcheroo and come back, but I just wanted to make sure I said thank you for sticking it out with me. I was quite surprised because I didn't think that this little tote bag right here had the JU ice, had the juice, was going to be able to hold as much as the Dempsey Tote, but this little bag, the Steve Madden BNIKO, was able to hold its own against the Dempsey Tote and carry and hold just as many items. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stick with me for more handbag videos, as well as more tote comparisons and handbag comparisons. And I'll see you lovely ladies in tomorrow's video. Bye.